Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks. I'm really fancying some chicken soup, so let's cook some together and let's just have a peek at the lovely goodies here. We've got some sweet corn, red onion, celery, okra, carrots, and we've also got ginger in there. And in here, we've got a bowl with some washed and clean chicken thighs. I've seasoned that up, but it's not necessary for you to do that. I just wanted to do that. And over here, we've got yam and we've got sweet potato. We've got normal potato here. And we've got some peeled sweet potato here as well, and some yam. But I just kept this one here so I could show to people what yam look like, just in case they wanted to buy it to make the soup. We've got flour there, chicken noodles, chicken stock. We've got pumpkin. We've got turnip. And we have got Cho-Cho. And I've kept the Cho-Cho here, half of it, so you can see what it looks like. And this is the turnip. And in here, you can see spring onion. We've got green pepper, bell pepper, thyme. We've got some chicken stock cube here, pimento, bay leaf, all that goodness. And I've got in this little bowl here, I've got some green seasoning. It's not necessary. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. The soup will still be banging. And we've got salt and black pepper in here. So let's get cooking, people. Can't wait. Hop over in the kitchen with me now. Let's go. Let's put the fire on. Okay. And we're going to add the stock. We've got 500 grams of stock here. And I add in another, so I've got 2. So that's 1,000 grams of stock. And I'm putting here 500 grams of boiling hot water. I'm going to bring that to the boil, and then I'm going to come back and then we can add the chicken. Time to add the chicken thighs. Now all the chicken pieces are added. Now I'm just putting half a stock cube to that. And now for bay leaf, spring onion, and a bit of thyme. And to that, I'm going to add some celery. I'm using 3 medium-sized celery. And I've got a medium red onion. And I've got 3 cloves of garlic. Cut in half. I'm going to add them to that. Followed by 4 carrots here. I'm going to give that a little stir, and then I'm going to cover that, and I'm going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes before I come back and add the pumpkin and the turnip and the Cho-Cho. This is 15 minutes later. Woo! Steaming up my camera lens. Alright. The kitchen is smelling so beautiful. Smells amazing. Right, now we're going to add, this is the pumpkin. I've got some of the pumpkin pieces large and some small, because I'm going to take out some of the big pumpkin pieces once they're cooked, and then I'm going to mash them into the soup. You don't have to do this. Not everybody work this way, but that's how I work, and that's what I'm going to do. Right, now I'm going to add to that, I've got some turnip here. I've used 1 medium turnip, and this is just half of Cho-Cho. I'm throwing into the mix, and I'm going to give that another stir. Right, and I'm going to let that cook now for 20 minutes, and then I will be back. Time to make the dumpling. Right, that's about 2 cups of flour, some salt. It's about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now just let's mix this all together. Right, I'm going to use my hands now. I'm using the gloves because I've got nail polish on my fingers. So that's why I'm wearing the gloves. Just want to make sure it gets all mixed in properly, where the spoon don't always get that to happen. And that's what you're looking for. Right, so I'm going to leave that until I'm ready to add that. So see you in a couple of minutes. Right, it's time to add the dumpling. We're going to do different sizes and shapes. Right, I've made all the dumplings now. I'm going to add some more boiling water to cover everything because I love my soup. So I need lots of soup. I'm going to add some potatoes to the mix. Some yam. And now we're going to add some sweet potato and some sweet corn. Alright, I'm fishing out some of the pumpkin. Right, not all of it, but some, just so that I can mash it and put it back into the soup. This is the pumpkin, mashed it. Well, this is going to give it a really nice, rich, pumpkin-y color. Look at that. That looks like sunshine in a pot. And that's what I'm all about. And to that, I'm going to add some green seasoning to the mix. If you don't have that, don't worry. As I said in my intro, your soup will still taste bomb. And now we're going to add chicken noodle soup. I'm just going to add a bit more to that. Just mixing all these delicious flavors together. This is what's gonna make our soup taste so off the scale, I'm telling you. Chicken soup, if you've never had Caribbean chicken soup before, please try it. It's absolutely delicious. And I'm putting it in a green Scotch bonnet. I've not pricked it or anything because I don't want the soup to be too hot, but I just want a hum of the flavor of the Scotch bonnet. And I think I may have said bell pepper in the intro. It's not bell pepper, it's Scotch bonnet. And I'm just doing, kind of scrunching the spring onions, to release and extract all the beautiful flavors. And I've got a few leftover okra, so I'm just gonna add that as well. Some pimento here and a bit of all-purpose seasoning. My goodness me, you can already tell that this is gonna be the best chicken soup you've ever had. The smell from the kitchen. I wish there was smelly vision YouTube. Then you could know exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm sprinkling a little bit of salt and black pepper mixed together. And we're gonna cover that. And we're gonna let that cook until the potato and the rest of the ingredients are cooked. So I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes and then I'll come back and I'll check to see what's going on. But I'm just gonna have a little taste to see what's going on here flavor wise. Oh my goodness, wow, that tastes amazing. Can't wait to have that soup. Right, now we're gonna cover it and we're gonna leave that for 20 minutes. Here you have it, guys. My chicken soup. Right, this is after 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, I checked to make sure all the other stuff that been added later, to make sure that they were all nice and soft and cooked, and it just had a little bit of a bite, so I gave it another 10 minutes. And here we have it, all ready to be eaten up. Look at that, all nice and ready. Right, now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna plate up and then I'll come back. And here you have it, guys. My warming, comforted and delicious chicken soup. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification button and share with your friends. It's absolutely delicious.